Okay, so the first thing you have to do is come to fisciguaçu.com. Okay, you're going to click here Portal do Aluno, and you're going to click on the option CyberFisk. There's also an app for your phone. Later I can do a video about that. You're going to click here and enter. Okay, and you're going to put your login and your password. If you don't remember or you don't know, just ask me and then I'll tell you. Okay, you're going to log in. As soon as you log in, you have to choose your book. So you click on books, and you will have fewer books than I do. You have all the books that you should have already studied before the one you are doing now. Okay. All right. So let me choose your book here, which is. Alright, so we're going to click on this one, and then the option starts here. So you're going to click Comece aqui, start here. We have this option, which is a challenge, but the challenge you don't have to do every lesson, okay? Because it's normally like a review, so every 2 lessons. In this case, it's like every 3 lessons. So this one you don't have to do. You only do this one after lesson 3, okay? Don't do it now, just do it later. When you finish lesson 3. The other option that we have is dictation. This one you're going to do every lesson. Okay, so you enter here and you're going to click on lesson 1, and the person is going to say something, and if I write wrong and I check, you see it's in red here. Whatever I wrote wrong, right? Oh, I have this, so that's why it shows correct. You can check it. You could play it 3 times and check it 3 times, all right? And then when you get it wrong, it appears here. In the end, you need to get 70%. If you don't get 70%, you have to redo the exercise, okay? Let's see. So let's go back. And the one you have to do also is called lab, right? So lab is quite fun because you get to practice everything that you're learning. So you click on lesson 1. You have to allow your phone to record. You're going to listen. In the red one, you're going to record your voice. And in the orange one, you're going to hear what you recorded, okay? So then you go down. There are some examples here on what you need to do. And you do in the sequence, okay? And after you're done, you can click to see the answer. Don't click to see the answer before you do the exercises. All right. So these are the 2 that you have to do every lesson. Every lesson you have to do dictation and lab. So first you do the book, the extra material, extra exercises, and then dictation, and then lab. Okay.